In this video, I'm going to teach you how to join a covenant in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on where to find the 2 covenants currently available in Arcane Lineage and how to join them. So, covenants are factions which you are able to join upon reaching level 10. So the first requirement is that you are at least level 10 on your character. Keep in mind that progress on covenants will not be saved between wipes. So don't die and make sure that you keep your progress. In each covenant, there are going to be different ways to progress through the ranks, and I'm not going to go over too much detail about the progression ranks of these covenants. So first, for you to get into the Blades of the World, also known as the Blades, which is a wealth-focused covenant available in the desert, you will have to travel to the Desert Ruins main building. In there, keep going straight until you reach the Elementalist Trainer. So as you can see on the map, from the Elementalist Trainer, there will be a large cliff with a small path leading downwards. Follow that path and enter the first opening that you see. Follow the middle path and eventually you will reach the Blades of the World hideout. In there, you will be able to take requests for the guild or donate money, and this will allow you to climb through the Covenant ranks. So just talk to the man on the counter and you will be able to join the Blades of the World. Now, the next covenant currently available in Arcane Lineage is Way of Life. This is available on Deeproot Canopy, and it is highly recommended for healer classes and support classes, or for people who like to stay alive and play safe. So, obtainment of this guild is going to be slightly harder. You will have to go over to the Deeproot Canopy, climb up the main buildings, and eventually on one of them, you will have access to the Way of Life. For this one, you will need to brew a potion, and after you complete the initial quest, you will be granted ranks among them. I hope I was able to help you on how to join a covenant in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.